Did you know that nature offers real natural remedies that can prevent illness and improve your life? We're not talking about fancy recipes, but science-proven plants that strengthen your body and protect your health. Today, you're going to discover 7 incredible plants that can help prevent inflammation, control blood sugar, improve immunity, and much more. And number 7 has been used for thousands of years as a real shield against disease. So watch to the end and see how these plants can transform your health. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most powerful medicinal plants in the world, and that's no exaggeration. Its main active compound, curcumin, has extremely powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, helping to fight chronic diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, and even cancer. Studies show that curcumin can reduce inflammatory markers in the body, preventing premature aging and protecting vital organs such as the liver and heart. But there is one important detail. The human body has difficulty absorbing curcumin on its own. The solution? Black pepper. Piperine, present in chili peppers, can increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. This means that in order to get all the benefits of turmeric, it's always best to eat it with pepper and a source of healthy fat, such as olive oil or coconut oil. In addition, research suggests that turmeric helps improve brain function, reducing the risk of Alzheimer's and depression. A real natural remedy. Number 2. Green tea, the heart and brain protector. Green tea is a true elixir of longevity. Rich in polyphenols and catechins, it fights free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and preventing premature aging. But the benefits go far beyond that. Studies show that green tea can protect the heart, helping to reduce bad cholesterol and balance blood pressure, which reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. In addition, its bioactive compounds stimulate metabolism, encouraging fat burning and helping with weight control. In the brain, the action of L-theanine, an amino acid present in the drink, improves focus, reduces anxiety, and can even prevent neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. And there's more. Drinking green tea regularly can help reduce the risk of stroke. What's more, drinking green tea regularly also helps to balance blood sugar levels, preventing type 2 diabetes. To get the maximum benefits, prefer to consume natural, unsweetened green tea and avoid boiling the water too much so as not to destroy its active compounds. Number 3. Garlic, the natural antibiotic. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural antibiotics in existence. Rich in allicin, a sulfur compound responsible for its strong aroma. It has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, helping to strengthen the immune system and fight infections. Studies indicate that regular consumption of garlic can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%, as it improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and controls LDL cholesterol levels. In addition, it acts as a natural blood sugar regulator, preventing and helping to control type 2 diabetes. Its antioxidant effect also protects cells from damage, slowing down aging and preventing neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. But beware, to make the most of its benefits, the ideal is to consume garlic raw or lightly crushed before use, as this activates the allicin. If you want iron health, make garlic a daily habit in your diet. Number 4. Ginger, the plant that protects your stomach and joints. Ginger is a true natural remedy that brings countless benefits to the body. Its main active compound, gingerol, has a powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect, helping to relieve muscle pain, arthritis, and joint inflammation. It is also a great ally for the digestive system, combating nausea, motion sickness, and even gastric reflux. Studies show that ginger speeds up metabolism and improves blood circulation, making it excellent for those looking for more energy and disposition on a daily basis. Its consumption also strengthens the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections and colds. And it doesn't stop there. Research indicates that it can help reduce blood sugar levels, helping to control diabetes. To get all these benefits, you can consume ginger in teas, juices, or even by chewing small pieces raw. A powerful plant that protects the body from the inside out. Number 5. Rosemary, the secret to a sharp brain. Rosemary is much more than an aromatic spice. It's a real brain tonic. Rich in compounds such as rosmarinic acid and flavonoids, it improves blood circulation in the brain, increasing oxygenation and promoting memory, focus, and concentration. Studies indicate that rosemary can reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative diseases, as it combats oxidative stress and protects neurons from damage. But the benefits don't stop there. It also has anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, helping to relieve indigestion, gas, and stomach cramps. In addition, rosemary strengthens the immune system and has a natural antidepressant effect, regulating cortisol levels and reducing stress and anxiety. To take advantage of its effects, you can consume it in teas, essential oils, or even inhale its aroma to stimulate the mind. Want more mental clarity and energy? Rosemary could be the key. Number 6. Mint, the natural calmer for your body. Mint is much more than a refreshing herb. It is a true natural calmer for the body and mind. Rich in menthol, it has relaxing, digestive, and analgesic properties and is excellent for relieving headaches, reducing stress, and improving sleep quality. Studies show that mint helps relax the muscles of the digestive tract, fighting heartburn, poor digestion, nausea, and even irritable bowel syndrome. In addition, its antiseptic and expectorant action is a great relief for those suffering from colds, flu, and respiratory problems, as it clears the airways and makes breathing easier. But the benefits don't stop there. Mint also improves concentration, relieves muscle tension, and reduces the symptoms of anxiety. To take advantage of its effects, you can consume it in teas, juices, or even inhale the essential oil for an immediate relaxing effect. If you're looking for more balance and well-being, mint is an indispensable ally. Number 7. Olive tea, the shield against disease. Olive tea is a little-known gem, but one with incredible health benefits. Its leaves are rich in oleuropein, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system, reduces inflammation, and fights free radicals, preventing premature aging. Studies indicate that regular consumption of this tea can lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and protect the heart against cardiovascular disease. It also has a strong antimicrobial and antiviral effect, helping to prevent infections and colds. But it doesn't stop there. Olive tea also helps control blood sugar and is a great ally in preventing type 2 diabetes. Its consumption also speeds up the metabolism, promoting fat burning and helping with weight loss. For those looking for a healthier liver, this plant also acts as a natural detoxifier, helping the body to eliminate toxins. Including this tea in your routine could be the key to strengthening your health and protecting yourself against various diseases. Incorporating these 7 plants into your daily routine can completely transform your health and well-being. Each of them has unique properties that act as true natural remedies, helping to prevent illness, strengthen the immune system, and improve the functioning of the body as a whole. From turmeric with its powerful anti-inflammatory effect, to olive tea, which protects the heart and fights free radicals, all these plants are valuable allies for those seeking a longer, healthier life. Best of all, they are easy to include in your routine, whether in teas, spices, or even eaten fresh. Small changes to your diet can bring huge benefits in the long term. But remember, to maximize the effects of these plants, eat a balanced diet, exercise, and have healthy habits. Just for the determined people who stayed until the end of this video, leave a comment here. I stayed until the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to always take care of your health, and see you in the next video.